Aries and Cancer compatibility. Ruled by the moon and swayed by the tides, lunar beings have changeable moods, as do Aries. But there are some important differences. For one thing, the moon has a dark side, and Cancer is often pulled inward by forces he or she doesn't fully understand. The crab's emotional nature renders him or her a somewhat fragile creature with a delicate constitution. Aries is a much hardier sign, a flammable extrovert who may need to slow down at least a pace to keep Cancer feeling secure, and security is of the most importance to crabs. Values and emotions. However, Aries has a hidden vulnerable side that Cancer is empathetically drawn to. Sometimes, all of that wild, reckless Mars energy is actually seeking love and acceptance while seemingly courting disaster. Cancer understands this, and being a caring, often martyred character, swoops in to rescue Aries. That is fine as long as this emotional rescuing doesn't attempt to restrain or control the ram. Aries is a force of nature, as uncontrollable as the faces as the moon. As long as Cancer recognizes this bond holds potential for growth and joy. Compatibility rating 5 out of 10. Friendships. Cancer sees Aries for who she really is, and not many people do. Arians project an image of indomitable strength. Many Cancers both respect and benefit from that kind of strength in their lives. Aries makes a fiercely protective friend, and Cancer's loyalty to someone he truly values is often lifelong. However, Cancer has a secretive nature and tends to express his feelings and needs indirectly. Aries likes to know where she stands. He doesn't understand people who are not as straightforward as he is. Sometimes, the extroverted show of strength that is so typically Arian will send Cancer retreating into her inner world. As with romantic relationships between these two signs, friendships require patience and empathy. Compatibility rating 5 out of 10. Relationships. Most rams are driven by a hidden desire for someone to see that they're not as tough as they seem. They, like Cancer, simply want someone to see their vulnerable core and hold it safely in their strong hands. Cancer has the empathy, emotional depth, and willingness to do this. But it should also be noted that crabs are quite literally watery, and their strength can wax and wane with the moon. Their emotional fragility can be secretly threatening to the Aries who looks upon rare, empathetic Cancer as his or her emotional savior. Whether or not Cancer is Aries' knight or princess in shining armor, Aries will maintain her freedom. And since her warrior spirit is her birthright, she will fight to break free of restrictions that limit her individuality and freedom of expression. There are no real passive rams, not unless there are strong forces in the birth charts that say otherwise. There are, however, passive crabs, though not entirely. Although they are sometimes genuinely passive in relationships, Cancerians can be better described as passive-aggressive. A crab walks sideways along the shoreline. So too, do human crabs move indirectly toward the object of their affections. Aries Mars energy pierces the core of any situation, making her one of the most straightforward characters in the zodiac. The ram's sure-footed stampedes can be intimidating to Cancer, whose emotional sensitivity means he often sulks to get what he wants. Whether he or she means to or not, Cancer can be emotionally manipulative. That's partly because this person is constantly absorbing the emotions of those around them. It's also because Cancer's emotions often cloud their logical perspective. When they're unfair, even without meaning to be, Aries explodes into a rage of fire that sends Cancer shrinking away, at least temporarily. For this relationship to work, Cancer needs to give Aries the space and freedom she needs. If Cancer does this, the ram will usually stay close, her fire warming Cancer's heart for a long time. Compatibility rating 4 out of 10. Loving this video so far? Please hit subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss a video whenever we update. Marriage. If Aries can temper her aggression just enough to make Cancer feel comfortable opening up, this relationship may make it to the altar and well into old age. In a healthy association between these two signs, they protect each other so completely that Aries couldn't even conceive of leaving the cozy nest Cancer has created for them. Cancers are the nesters of the zodiac, and even the most freedom-loving, fast-paced Aries need to find a home at some point. Cancer has an innate need for security, sometimes the ram's way of charging ahead without thinking worries about the crab. For their rhythms to exist in any semblance of harmony, Aries also has to temper her blunt honesty, which will undoubtedly hurt the crab. Remember, if crab is too hurt or perceives an outside threat, he retreats into a hard shell. And we all know what happens when we startle a real crab from its shell. Compatibility rating 4 out of 10. Communication. These two are usually both coming from an emotional place. At first glance, it seems that they're coming from different emotional places, which is very true to an extent. But inside, larger-than-life Aries is as open-hearted and innocent as a child. Cancer sees and embraces Aries' vulnerability, which is probably the strongest point in their relationship. The Cancerian emotions often fool people into thinking they're just big, unrestrained puddles of feelings on the floor. Hopefully, Aries doesn't make the mistake of attempting to mop up the crab and douse it in its own waters. While Aries' first instinct is to attack at the first sign of conflict, the crab's is to retreat, deliberate, and then move sidelong toward a resolution. Just as the moon has a dark side, and dark side doesn't equate to bad here, the crab also moves with some secrecy. If Aries wants a real resolution rather than instant gratification of a direct attack, he should give Cancer time to process his emotions and come to his own conclusions. This is difficult for Aries, but it surely cultivates patience. Compatibility rating 2 out of 10. Sex and intimacy. Although Cancers are extremely sexual beings, it can take some gentleness to draw them out of their shells. Sometimes this is true even in a purely sexual relationship. Aries can lack a gentle approach, but they make up for it in passion. Both Aries and Cancer tend to envelop their lovers so completely during sex that there's a sense of both consumption and fulfillment. Cancer is a passionate, sensitive lover whose sense of romance is grand enough to satisfy Aries' larger-than-life ideals. Not only that, but as an empath, he becomes a sponge who senses every nuance of her being and emotions during sex. Cancer is a giving sign, and he or she will stop at nothing to make the vulnerable part of Aries feel safe and loved, and perhaps more importantly, seen. Compatibility rating 6 out of 10. Aries Cancer compatibility pros. Aries imbues anxious Cancer with some healthy optimism, whereas Cancer gives Aries the nurturing he or she needs. Both signs love fiercely and passionately. In turn, they make each other feel emotionally secure. Aries and Cancer are both creative at hearts, and they both find outlets of expression in each other. Aries and Cancer compatibility cons. This is a water and fire combination, which means there is potential for destruction. Cancerian water can douse Aries' fire and optimism. Arian fire can burn Cancer's sensitive emotions. Crabs often approach situations in life indirectly, whereas Aries is probably the most directly expressive sign in the zodiac. This can create a lot of conflict and hurt along the way. The ram's impulsive ways can make the careful, pessimistic crab feel insecure, which is a feeling most Cancers are overly susceptible to. Summary of Aries and Cancer. Aries and Cancer relationships are often conflicted by different motivations and approaches to life. Thus, they require a great deal of patience and compromise to stay together. If they're bonded strongly enough, each will be motivated to find ways to live in harmony with each other's differences. Ultimately, the ram and the crab are so different, there will usually come to a point in which they have to decide whether the good parts of the relationship outweigh the bad. Is there more joy or pain? When that time comes, both of these highly emotional beings would do better to speak from the heart than simply analyze the situation. If the emotional connection is too valuable to give up, the ram and the crab are certainly creative enough to find ways to live together in harmony. Overall compatibility rating 4 out of 10.